Hello, Assalamu alaikum, Namaste, welcome back to my channel. Today I created one band makeup tutorial. The LA Girl makeup, and I use almost everything from except the mascara and for my eyebrow I didn't use LA Girl, otherwise I have all used the LA Girl product. And if you want to know how I create this easy makeup tutorial, please keep watching. Today I am playing with makeup after really long time. Three concealer from LA Girl. The one is the nearest to my skin tone. It is honey, like warm honey. Another one is orange, and the last one is toffee. I can use these two as my character. Or I'm using this orange character. Next one, I'm using the warm honey. The shade toffee to contour my face. It is little lighter for contouring. Take it as my cover up. Now for setting my face, I'm using Pro Face HD Matte Press Powder. It's have a lot of coverage. Pretty coverage it have. Now I'm using this, or I should have to use this. It is lip glazed lip paint. I should use as my blush, but I forgot it. I was like a purple color in shade Daring, sorry. My powder, sorry. Ignore, it's like it look like that I have some allergy. It's my fault, leave it. Oh, contour powder, and it have like this, the contouring product is pretty, but it is so powdery, I can say. So much powdery and shimmery. You can see it's like showing as my contour, but it's such a powdery product and so shimmery product. So I have a lot of shimmer right here. I don't like this product, and the highlighting side is such a chalky product, and it's show cast on my skin like this, white cast on my skin. I don't like the white cast. And it's not showing as highlighted on skin. I don't really like this at all. I'm using same as my eyeshadow. Only defining in my crease. I really like this Elegant glide liner. I really like it. It's Paradise Purple. This one is the Mermaid Blue. This deep bronze and the gold one. And I have one more. It is the another variant of it in legging violet. I don't like I don't like it because it have zero pigmentation on my eyes. Like you can have to so much harder to apply this product, so I don't like it. Two of its lip liner and first nut and spice. So I'm first using chestnut. It is such a pretty and smooth texture lip pencils. I really like it a lot. And this one is shade is white. Ignore my chapped lip. I really like this formula with this ultra bronzer, and I'm just applying here and dragging here like a V shape. I really like this color. It's a soft color, and I can say it's not as soft color and it's not as dark color. It's like a variable color. You can see it contour my eyes a lot. The shade name is Mermaid Blue. This is such a pretty color, gold mine. Actually, it's a green gold. It is green gold. It is such a pretty. I really like it a lot. I really like this formula. It is Paradise Purple, and I'm using for dragging my wing. Same lipstick that I use as my blush. It is such a pigmented product. Only drawback that is staying power. I don't like its staying power. Minty sensation that I'm feeling on my lips right now. I don't have any mascara from Elegant. I'm using this Rimmel. That extension lash mascara. It's such a pretty mascara, I can say. Only drawback it has that it is not waterproof and that smudge all over my lash and like all over my lid and lash line. Ignore my neck and face because I didn't apply any product as much on my neck. I only apply the concealers on my face. That way it looked little in color. I didn't drag my color all to my neck, but on the camera it's looking little lighter, but in real life it's matching me so perfectly. Right, it's matching me so perfectly, and I really like this Elegant Soft Honey Pro HD powder. I really it's have a full coverage, and really like this a lot and I don't like this. Main thing is that both of the shade like highlighting, it is like a highlighting in a, maybe I'm going for it, it says highlighter, but it doesn't have any highlighting like a glowy on the skin. And another one, the contour shade is like so much glittery. You can see the glittery particle on my skin. It's shimmery, not a glittery, a shimmery. So much shimmery, that why I don't really like it. And second thing, that it is such a like powdery product, like glittery, so much powdery and chalky product. I really don't like it, and it cost around 675. That is really, it is affordable, but upper 500 is somehow little expensive for the girl who are in the college, so it is not worthy because of you can see I don't really like this color. Maybe in some color I should like it. And the second drawback, it remain glossy, and it is pigmentation is such a pretty, but only drawback that its color is shocking. Like I showed you, it is a lot loud color. I only use as for dabbing. Really like this, like or even love this like Elegant Pro Concealers. I have all for the toffee, the orange corrector, and the warm honey, right? Warm honey. I really like this much. I almost empty it out, and I really like these a lot. Like this formula, the Glide one, Glide pencil from Elegant. I really like. It's such a smoothest. You can see it, smoothest and pigment. I will show you another shade that is showing on the skin properly. Smoothest and so pigmented product. You don't need to be dry a lot, and but make this. I really love it a lot. Thank you all.